Hello friends, welcome to Squared Plans. I'm Stephanie and today we're going to be setting up my dashboard for my social media. Got some washi tape here and some sticker books that I'll be pulling from. So let me just quickly go over, I have a few stickers already laid down, my videos of the week and my social stats stickers that I made at the beginning of the year to go with this dashboard and just simplify where I track certain things. My normal process here for my social media planner is just to pick a sticker book or two and come up with a theme. And one of my favorites is the Homebody because everything coordinates so well with the Homebody planner that I'm using here for social media. I just usually go in there and start laying in the boxes and things that I know I'm going to need for my various tasks or social media tasks. I think the color scheme I'll be looking for this time around is more of a black and mustardy yellow tone. I just kind of like that idea, maybe with some gold, and see how that all plays together. I also like to cover up the headers and do something a little bit more generic, or not generic, but something that fits better with my social media. So that is what I have up there at the top. And here I ended up going into my colorful boxes to grab some gold boxes for this week because I am starting Planmas this week, which you guys probably already know if you've been following my channel. And I have a ton of videos I need to put in for the week. Whereas I normally only put the boxes on Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, I now have them also all the way from Tuesday on. And I didn't have enough of the color scheme I wanted to make that happen, which is why I went into the Colorful Boxes sticker book. So now I am going back to the Homebody and just pulling in some of the elements I think will look good here. I often use those routine and plans or notes to cover up the little headers just for my to-dos and my weekly routine of things that I need to do. That's what I use in those two boxes there on the left. And I'm looking through my sticker books because I thought there was another sticker that kind of matched the same as the routine sticker, and I found it finally in the mini sticker book. It says Just Focus, and that's what I usually would pull for my to-do list when I use this book. And I like it. It's just like some cute handwriting and changes up the headers that are there, which don't really apply. Now I'm going to start pulling in a little bit more of the decor, looking for some darker black elements and maybe some gold. Just trying to see if there's anything that I like. Since my social media has pretty much dialed in as far as how I lay out these spreads, I know that like in the important area in the bottom half of the routine, I have a bit of space for some decor. I can also put some decor there at the bottom of the long checklist because I usually don't have that many to-dos to get done for the week. And I will sometimes put a highlighter or a focus box in that area for something important for the week. This week I decided to pull a large box sticker, and I'm going to try and use this black floral background sticker, cut it in half, and kind of add some decor to the side there using that sticker. I also like to include elements of decor here on the side, even though my right side is pretty filled up with actual to-dos items. I don't have a lot of space for decor. Very functional is what I mean to say on the right side. I do like to add in skinny decor, like that doesn't take up any space, or for areas where I know I don't have anything to write on the line like I have there at the top. I'm not doing a Monday video because it's the last week of November and Planmas starts December 1 for me. So I know I can use that little bit of space for decor. And then like sometimes at the bottom or in between the days where I know my to-dos won't bump up against the decor, I can get away with some of that. And here I'm adding in some of that washi, layering in the black and gold, again to kind of re-emphasize the color scheme I'm going for. I do like to use washi a lot in here because it is low profile but has a lot of visual impact as far as color and pattern. So this is a very good spread for me to use washi on, mainly because, like I said, it's very functional for the most part, and having that washi can just kind of add that pop of color and design but not encroach too much upon the functionality. I do like to do something a little bit more here in the important area. I tend to make that more of my decor focus area for the most part, although it does vary depending on the day or the spread. And with those monthly boxes that have the little cutouts for the day on a monthly spread, I always feel like that's so awkward. So I'm trying to find a way to cover it and do some sticker layering that doesn't look just as awkward. And I don't think I'm really in love with the way that looks right now, but we'll see. I'm also adding in those flower bunches kind of here and there. Again, kind of going with that black floral background that I pulled earlier and just keeping everything relatable. Just trying to find something to layer in there, and I think I like this colorful box here. I like these long skinny quotes, like I said, just great for being low profile but adding a little something extra. And adding in some washi over here. Maybe some florals. I know that Saturday I can probably get away with having florals there at the bottom, but I might need to make an adjustment now that I think about it. Just going to layer some washi up here with some other florals. That should help balance out the spread a bit. And honestly, that'll probably be it. I'll go back and fill it in with all of my to-dos off camera, and I will be done. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up down below. Go ahead and leave me a comment if you'd like to get in touch. And think about subscribing to my channel if you haven't already, if you'd like to see more of my videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and we'll see you next time. Bye!